Ana. Amen.
And according to our research, this was the last place where the northern sheets of the Treaty of Waitangi was signed before heading to southern parts of Aotearoa. Lehua, not only is this a hotspot for tourists, this was once a hotspot because this is where the government house burnt down in 1842. What's left here is, of course, this historical site and this well. Well. What do we have here? Well, let's not get too deep. But what I find ironic is a house burning down next to a well.
Kia ora. So anyway, te whānau, Okiato. William, any last words before we sign out? Why, thank you for that.
Well said.
Nice to meet
well
you.
Said.
So, bro, here we are.
Yeah, he mara. You know what's funny? We started at Waitangi and it was the winterless north. Now we're here at Ahipara at windiest north. You know, I'd like to think that we knew a bit more about the Treaty of Waitangi, but actually taken a few steps forward in understanding the other areas in which it was signed and by whom.
And yeah, very, very significant to the people of the north. I think it's a reflection of the depth of how far that connection goes back to our tupuna.
Yes,
and yeah, so been an awesome trip.
Nō reira te iwi, that covers some parts of the locations in the north. And with this wind, who knows where the wind will take us next and which sheet that we'll find ourselves under. Nō reira te iwi, e mihi ana kia koutou katoa. Tēnā koutou.